Welcome back to West Coast Solar. Installing your solar panels on your home or business has numerous financial advantages. But what are the environmental benefits of solar energy? Well, let's explore that a little bit more. Solar energy is clean, renewable power sources that can dramatically reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By relying on solar power, you can help reduce the demand for fossil fuels that are expensive to extract and use and are also harmful to our overall environment. Non-renewable fossil fuels like natural gas and coal are finite and will eventually run out as we continue using them, whereas solar is the most abundant and affordable renewable energy resource on the entire planet. Our energy resources like nuclear power, hydropower, and coal use a lot of water to generate electricity. On the other hand, solar panels capture the sun's energy and convert it into usable power without using water in the process, which reduces water consumption while cutting down on water scarcity. Unlike coal and natural gas, solar energy does not release any carbon dioxide, which reduces air pollution. Dirty air and smog caused by CO2 emissions from fossil fuels are not only bad for the environment, but they're also horrible for your health. As solar helps reduce air pollution, the air quality that we breathe is improved. This helps to prevent respiratory and cardio health issues, which, according to the Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy, may reduce healthcare costs and save more than 25,000 lives. When you decide to go solar, you can save money while also reducing your carbon footprint to improve the health of those around you and our planet. Contact West Coast Solar to arrange a free consultation to get started, and thank you so much for watching.